Hey everyone, I'm going to show you in this video how to get the brand new version 3 of Roblox Arceus mod menu. So as you guys can see, I have it right here. This is the version 3, brand new one. It works for iOS and Android. I'm going to show you guys how to get this brand new mod menu for Roblox, guys, with the Arceus version. And as you can see, it comes with a bunch of cool features in this mod menu. You get speed hack, free Robux, and also they have the anti-cheat bypass, so you'll never get banned for using it. And honestly, yeah, the Arceus X is like the best mod menu you could possibly use for Roblox mobile. I've tested so many other ones, but this one is by far the best, and it never gets like banned. Like they're not able to detect it. But yeah, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually install it onto your iOS and Android devices. So let's get into it. Please leave a like, subscribe, and let me show you guys now how to actually get it onto your phone. Alright guys, so as you can see, here is the Arceus X V3 mod menu. I'm just going to go ahead and open it up and show you guys that it is working. So, Arceus X, and there's the Arceus X mod menu. By the way, guys, if any of you guys want to play Roblox with me, drop your usernames in the comments below. I'll be willing to add some of you guys to play. But anyways, here is the mod menu, guys. The official Arceus X mod menu. Speed hack, B tools. We got the executor mod as well. The script hub, settings, free Robux, and the anti-cheat as well. So a lot of cool things you could do with this, guys. By far the best feature though is that it gives you free Robux. Not a lot of mod menus give you free Robux, but this one does. So it's really insane. But anyways, now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to actually download the Arceus X version 3, the brand new one, onto your iOS and Android devices. So before we can actually install the app though, we have to just make sure that your device is ready for the install. And if you're on iOS, you just have to change some settings really quick on your phone. If you're on Android, you could skip this step. So yeah, but anyways, guys, if you're on iOS, open up your settings really quick. And when you're in settings, scroll down and go to battery. Then just go ahead and make sure your low power mode is turned off, like how I have it here. And then once you guys do that, scroll up and then go to general. And then in general, you guys are going to want to scroll down and select background app refresh. Select it. And then you're going to see it here in the top. Just select it again. And all you guys have to do is just make sure that you have the background app refresh turned on to either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Exactly like how I have it right here, guys. And once you turn it on to one of these, you should be good. And yeah, make sure it's not off. And that's going to be all the settings that you have to change on iOS. Now, if you guys are on Android, you don't have to change any settings. And now we are ready to install the Arceus X V3 onto our phone. So how exactly do you get the app? Well, it's pretty simple, guys. What you're going to want to do is open up your browser on your iOS or Android device, guys. And once you open up your browser, go to this website, applucid.com, guys. So that's applucid.com. As you guys can see, that's the site. And basically, this is just, a tweaked app store. As you guys can see, #1 tweaked app store for iOS and Android. We have the largest library of tweaked apps and games, blah, blah, blah. As you guys can see, they have a bunch of other features here. But yeah, basically it's a tweaked app store. They have a lot of tweaked apps and games on here. Probably the best one I've ever used. And once you guys are on the site, what you have to do is come to this button that says proceed, right? So you'll see it when you load the site. You just go over here to the proceed button, tap on it. It's going to say loading. And now all we have to do, guys, is just give this a moment to load. So let's go ahead and give this a little bit of time. And it's still loading, so give it a second, guys. Sometimes it takes a little bit depending on your internet. And then once this loads, what it does is that it goes ahead and opens up the tweaked app store onto your phone, basically. And yeah, so it's going to go ahead and pretty much load all the apps and everything like that onto our phone. Okay, so once we are on it, once it loads, this is what it will look like, guys. It's going to open up the actual app store. And all you guys are going to do is you're going to see a bunch of apps. They're constantly updating it, so there's probably going to be more apps when you see this. But anyways, all you guys have to do is you either use the search bar, or you could just go over here to the list and find the Arceus X V3. If I wanted to use the search bar though, all I would do is just type in Arceus, and there it is there, guys. And then it will say Arceus X V3. Just tap the install button. And now all we're going to do is just wait for this to load. So it's actually downloading the app right now. And then once this loads, it will then allow us to finish the install. And then I'll show you guys how to finish the download. And then we will have Arceus X V3 on our iOS devices, guys, and Android as well. So once it finishes loading, it should load here in a second. Let's see. All right, so it's gonna say like this website is trying to download a profile. Do you want to allow this? Tap allow, and then it will say profile downloaded. Go ahead and tap close. Exit out of here, and then what we're gonna do, guys, is open up our settings on our iOS device, and then we're gonna go to more for your iPhone, and you should see profile downloaded. We're gonna tap view profile, and then it will say like Arceus X V3, latest Roblox Arceus X mod menu. Tap install. I'm just gonna go ahead and type in my passcode. All right, Arceus X is ready for install. So tap the next button, tap install, install again, and then go ahead and tap done. And once you finish that, guys, boom, Arceus X V3 is now installed on our iOS device. And now we can go ahead and open it up on our phone and use it. Now, if you're on Android, it's going to be the exact same, except it doesn't download like a profile. Instead, it's just going to like take you to the install instructions on Android. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. And if you have any questions, let me know down below, and peace out, everybody.